Car Accident Claims, a comprehensive guide. Hi, I am KP Brar from Solution Law. Car accidents can be traumatic and confusing. Here is a comprehensive guide to help you through the claims process. First, ensure your safety and seek medical attention. Then, document the accident scene and gather witness information. Report the accident to your insurance company and contact the injury lawyer. We will help you collect the evidence, negotiate with the insurer, and if necessary, take your case to court. At Solution Law, we are dedicated to secure the compensation you deserve.